Hi, this is Kelly at Quilter's Paradise, and today I get the privilege of introducing a brand new slit and sew template. This one is the Steeple Chase, and you're going to see right behind me a quilt we put together using that template set. It went together really quick, it was fun, and we got to use a fairly new line by Maywood Studios called Color Therapy Batiks. So it's bright and fun, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this together. So this Steeple Chase slit and sew template set comes with two pieces. You have your A piece and you have your B here. So it's very similar to our Drunkard's Path, other than the fact that it's a gentler curve than the Drunkard's Path, and you have one on either side. So while it doesn't look like this piece will fit with this, they go together perfectly simply by lining up your slits. So this is what one block is made out of. I cut this out of that wonderful Color Therapy Batiks from Maywood Studios. And you can design it however you want. This has a multitude of ways of laying out this block. We laid it out so that you got circles of this cream. You could switch it off and put different colors, a lighter color here and two different colors here, really lay it out and plan it and have different dots show up. So it's all how you want to play with it. And just go to Pinterest. They're the best place to go to find layouts for different layouts for the same block, how it can be used. So let's go over to my machine and I'll show you how easy it is to sew together. Okay, so we're going to sew our A and B pieces together. I've already done it on the one side. We're going to do the opposing side now. And as always that we tell you in all of our slit and sew templates, you're going to line up straight. You don't want to line up like this, which is a lot of people will do. You want to line these guys up square. And you're going to take about 3 or 4 stitches. Kneel down, and then you're going to kind of maybe lift your foot up a little and start aligning your slits, okay? This is where you're going to be wanting to sew an accurate 1/4 inch. Us quilters, most of the time we hear about a scant, but the math that's involved in making these slits line up so well requires you to sew an actual accurate 1/4 inch. So no scant, please. And you're going to see, we're going to do that here, and just keep kind of pulling it over, lining up those slits. Then you're going to keep going. Now, I've just sewn past the last slit. So I'm going to go needle down. I'm lifting my foot up, taking my pieces, my 2 pieces, and I'm going to do the same thing I did at the start, which was to line them up square here. You can have a... I use a finger stylus normally. I forgot it at home today. Fingernails work well if you got them. Even an unthreader, as I love to call them, works too to help guide and line everything up. And then you're going to sew off. And in doing so, you're going to look. We're going to open it up. Look at that. A little off. Here's the beauty of it. Really doesn't matter. Most of the time I'm right on, but if you're a little off, you're fine. All right, so we've sewn that up. We're going to press. In this case, I'm pressing away from the light, so I'm pressing towards the main body of the Steeple Chase block, just so you don't get anything showing up. And look at that. Is that not beautiful? Beautiful end. So now all you get to do is make a bunch of these and then play with your layout. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and we'll be talking to you soon with our next slit and sew template. Wasn't that easy? Anyone can do this quilt, and you have so many different layouts, not just the one we chose behind us. So you can get this template and our many other slit and sew templates by looking us up on either Facebook, YouTube, we're on Pinterest, and we have our own website as well. Also, don't forget us on this Instagram. So have a great day and join us next time when we show a new slit and sew template.